disappointments again. Swear said them did the real, check it out, you up to all them. Yeah.
Nation, that is dancehall artist Laden, who is now a free man.
Freedom. You hear that?
The entertainer was free today after almost serving 3 years for the possession of an illegal firearm. The clip that I say, it is Laden just outside the prison gates.
That is it.
Good luck. The first thing he shared on social media is this. Let us properly kick off the report. Tef Nation, the entertainment feed community. Wagwan. We're there on the Friday at Fridays. Community members, enough love and blessings. And I hope you all are having a fantastic day. With that said, let us get to the topics.
Too much innocent killing of one.
Song that I hear right now, it is the official music video for the song titled Too Much by dancehall artist Kartel, featuring our ambassador.
Too much innocent killing of one. Real get a youth, them a suffer so hard. When me say put down the gun, put down the knife. Better way for living these times of life. Too much innocent killing of one.
So damn right, too much killing. Whenever it's mentioned that Jamaica is mentioned among the top 10 countries with the highest murder rate, I see sometimes some people stating that this can't be true because Jamaica not as big as this place and so on. I know a lot of people know how they calculate the highest ranked murder countries or whatever, but for those who don't know, it's calculated by 100,000 per capita. So for example, Australia, how much times bigger than Jamaica, it is showing that, for instance, Australia murder rate of 5 per 100,000. Just saying for instance, not saying that's the correct figure. But how Jamaica going with the murders and so on. If Jamaica had that amount of people that Australia have, instead of 5 per 100,000, you'd probably say, I don't know, 300 per 100,000. That is not the correct figure, you know. It is significantly less. As a matter of fact, just let me do a quick check. Jesus, it's saying Jamaica is at number 1 with 44, basically 45 per 100,000, 45 murders per 100,000. Then you have Honduras with 36 per 100,000, followed by South Africa with 33 per 100,000. I knew that Jamaica was in the top 10, you know, but I did not know that we are at number 1. You know what? Let us get back to the song. Too Much by dancehall artist Kartel, featuring our ambassador.
I coulda any man buy a one gun figure lucky. Don't use it, don't copy. If I see a fam or your things, then you have it. Sell a phone. Me don't trust it.
Just this morning, the house of Vybz Kartel ex-wife, Tanisha Johnson, it got raided by the police. Videos of the raid went viral on social media. Check it out.
Because not the person is the police, but as first we see something like this, what we don't know.
I will not see no warrant.
I will not see no warrant. I know we will not get no warrant. And then I answer me a mommy.
What is your name,
Miss Johnson, Tanisha Johnson.
Let me explain something to you. Let me explain something to you.
Yeah.
Them not arrest for true. Them not arrest.
Yeah, but where is the warrant?
No, them open the door downstairs. Me hear it. Me not there. Me hear the door downstairs cold. That's why I'm come out. Cause we never come now. Me open the door, but I only open the door downstairs. Me alert it and go down there. Nobody only never knock the door never open. Me hear one in the movie, so I'm not deaf. That's why I'm come outside. Me not nobody not knock on the door.
Focus, not in the house.
Mommy! Look here. No reason. We are style. Let's just split it. Yeah, let's take Miss Dula video.
In the illegal. In the illegal for video.
Alright?
Step from there, no please.
You're not look where you're
Step from there.
No illegal for video. You know illegal for video. You know illegal for video. You know illegal for video. We have video for. This is not a working place. This is a house.
When it's very disrespectful. When it's very disrespectful.
No, me not see the warrant. Me not see the warrant.
Can't touch her. Thank you. I never asked that.
Right up the hey, mistake. Found the ear the last name. One was found and excitement and all kind of stuff. I sleep on the wake me up. Sleep and wake me up. Uno wake me up. I hope someone on the ear gunman on the road go and lick down door and excitement, you know. Because only make people look bad. Uno, you two crosses and crosses, the blood of Jesus against, you know.
MC Nuffy done. He took to social media where he shared back the video after it with the caption stating, "The real sharp boss music, take those kids out of Jamaica because it's non-stop problem going to reach them. Remember I'ma tell you my little sister, because the youths them not gonna know it like that or put themselves in a trouble. Why them after under pressure like that? Police and government hate the father and still want to take set on the man youth them. These police can't fix Jamaica crime problem." Over on Vybz Kartel music though, we are see this. Little sucker the hungry belly police boy. We got decent people place without a warrant this morning. We don't have no real crime for solve or motorists for search and beg a lunch money. Hey boy, don't allow no mother sucker for solve crime kitty. We no idlers. The entertainment feed community, back to the music. Karan featuring our ambassador, Too Much.
Now we living in a world of a dark force. Pick me them a month, cause them in a dark clothes. Government a rule us now with one force. Pandemic take over east to north coast.
We also have Vantage with the visuals for the song titled No Time.
Lazy man, how I feel, dirty and full of greed. You want money and you want no work, oh God. I saw you want leave.
But once again, that is Vantage with the visuals for the song titled No Time.
Whole-hearted, the most wanted, want live easy, so them burn them bridge.
The entertainment feed community, yesterday, the Kartel family, the Kartel family with vlogger CMR. Shani, CMR one-time side chick and Chrissy's matey. Sorry Chrissy, I just have to keep it entertaining. While on live yesterday, Shani called the dog by the name Chrissy.
See, the dog name is Chrissy. I'm gonna get some food and come back. No, I'm not in the live though.
Don't know if that's the dog actual name, but a lot of people felt as if Shani was actually shading Chrissy by calling the dog Chrissy. Pretty Dan and Shani on live talking to each other, talking about that matter. This is what was said.
Hidden corner, Shani.
Let it go.
I saw them call them dog. I'm supposed to do about that. And I'm my dog.
Why you never call the dog Shani?
Jesus Christ. You don't have no understanding. It's not my dog.
So why you call the dog Chrissy Shani?
Because I saw the people them dog.
The people that never call the blood clot. Shani, you too blood clot lie.
Why me I gonna lie though? It's not my dog and I saw the people them dog name.
Hey, Mr. Shani, Jesus blood clot. Shani, oh yes, what the people that know Chrissy?
Me will never disrespect that lady because me don't know her and me never
Shani,
disrespect
you too blood clot lie, Shani.
She and never disrespect me.
And not trouble you, Shani, and you do that. Shani, you too blood clot lie and you call it dog Chrissy.
Pretty Dan. It's not my dog and me never do it intentionally. I saw the dog name. Chrissy never disrespect me, so me not have a reason
Shani,
to disrespect.
look how the woman avoid you, Shani. Why you make a video?
Me never trouble Chrissy. The dog name Chrissy. Me never trouble her.
You too blood. And you steal them and you tell me be a blood clot lie. You
I saw the dog name.
Why the people call the dog Chrissy?
I saw the people them dog name Chrissy.
Put the people them on the phone.
Them not there right now still.
Call them now. You don't have to phone.
I do, but when I'm a phone,
call them on the phone.
Well, Andy, I think Nile there. Nile!
Shani, call the people them on the phone.
Well, Andy, cause me need to clear up this for true. Chrissy the dog name for true.
No, you need to call the people them.
Well, I'm look if Nile there. Nile.
Yeah, woman will not follow you up, Shani. Yes, yeah, woman will not follow you up, Shani. Your blood clot wrong.
What's the name of the dog right here?
Chrissy.
Top make she here. The dog named Chrissy, right? And she named Chrissy long before me known, right?
I don't know.
Make your friend. No. Let me talk to your friend. It sound fucked up. You too like Shani. Let me talk to your friend because you tell her to say it.
Alright, talk loud now, talk loud, cause him kinda shy. What the dog name? The Chrissy the dog name.
Yeah, this Chrissy.
And it's my dog. Is it my dog?
No.
It's your mother's dog, right?
And why you not call the dog Chrissy?
Me don't know that I ask the people them. Me don't know what to them name them dog.
Shani, this hard for believe. Shani, me not give a fuck.
You can't call them up on the phone then.
Shani, first of all, the dog, the soul like the ball. Last week, we get the dog.
It's because me intend for go live and mention this because me never got trouble.
Too much innocent killing a one.
The entertainment feed community, remember songs to check out. Laden featuring our ambassador, Too Much.
That way they live in these times of life.
He's a dancehall DJ, singer, and of course a songwriter. Well known in Jamaica due to his music and his live performances.
Too much innocent killing a one. Real get a youth, them a suffer so hard. When me say put down the gun, put down the knife.
And also remember to check out Vantage, No Time.
I got no time for your spear. When me tie a punch and me want spear. Sometimes me try down the finish line near. I want me spare.
Links for those songs will be provided in the description of the video and also pinned at the top of the comment section.
When me tie a punch and me want spear. Sometimes me try down the finish line near. I want me spare.
Shani, why would you make a video? I call it dog. Blood clot.
Me never make a video. Me go live and the people them hear me. I call the dog Chrissy and them say why me a trouble Chrissy. So me say me not trouble Chrissy. I saw the dog name. Call her for me because me don't know if you use this.
Call the dog Chrissy and make him come now. Me be here.
Come Chrissy. Voila. Let me see if me can turn on the camera. All this though. How camera turn on this?
Well, I don't know why Shani. So Father God, you can't. Shani, I come to church with me Sunday.
Pretty dog, it's not my dog. This is Chrissy right here. I saw them name them dog.
I want to see you no call. I want to see a call.
Alright, Niall.
I want to see the fucking dog come to you.
Nicole, wait for me.
God, me know what I like.
Nicole.
Who I like Shani I tell.
Alright, so Nicole upon the phone and Nicole dog, right? Them I say, I'm my dog.
Alright, well on. Alright, I could have clear it up now. How long now, mums have a dog? Your sister.
Yeah, how long you have your dog? Over 10 years, right?
Can't 10 years and I have a dog and the dog was same, Chrissy.
But me not like this mix up thing because me not trouble nobody.
No. Turn on the camera and call the dog. Please, me I beg you.
You don't have to check in the bag with us?
Yeah?
No, Shani, turn on the camera and call the dog. Me don't believe you, Shani.
Alright, it's not my dog. Niall, call Chrissy for me. Call Chrissy. Hold on, call Chrissy. Say Chrissy, just call her.
No, you can't do that, dog. I go
call.
No.
It's not my fucking dog. Why wanna find it so hard to believe?
She's not coming. Let me show you something. Oh, me know so me can't believe you. Let me show you now.
It's not my dog.
Yes, come on. You see my dog, Shani?
Me didn't even wake up good. As somebody text me and I say pretty than the live.
Listen to me, Shani. You see my dog? Sass. Come here. Me not have to say more. Me not have to say none of that. Her name is Sass.
Come, Chrissy. Chrissy. Come.
Come on, Sass.
It's not my dog for true.
You can't tell me that. Me not even say
it's not my dog.
By her name. If she go out there right now and she run away, I say, Sass, come here. And she come to me. See, like I say, Sass, come here, and she just come. I really never did even call her.
Call back your mother, because me have to go clear up this.
For now, you see what time o'clock, you see what time o'clock, or you get the fuck out of here. And as usual, my people.